something. Oh, right there. It's in there. Oh, is that a coin? Oh no, it's a button. It's a button. Or is it part of a shotgun shell? No, it should be better if I was on camera, wouldn't it? That looks like a button. But it might be, well, I'm getting some, I'm seeing something. Oh, it's an old shotgun shell end. A Peters. That's an older Peters. That crud off. And wipe it on wipe it on my pants, like Mama said, never said to do. Oh no, I can't read it. Pretty sure it was a Peters 12 gauge. It looked like a button at first. Usually the shotgun shells don't have all the paper and plastic deteriorated yet, but hey, that's pretty nice. I'm cleaning it up too. Galaxy Adventures.